today I want to vlogging that I went tonight.
So yeah, he is trying his level best to tell me something about his vlogging. He also wants to start his vlogging channel to the temple because the rain was stopped us. Actually, rain interrupted us. We are going towards the video uploading.
राधे सदा मुझ पर रहमत की नजर रखना ओ राधे सदा मुझ पर
Getting freshen up, I am ready, and Jyoti is also getting ready because today our exam is of UP Police. So we are going right now, and let's hope for the best that she is going to attempt her exam after 3 days high fever of malaria. So she is not physically as much fit as she would have. So right now she is getting ready, and we are lunch, and here is the chapati. So we are ready and we are eating it. Now Jyoti is ready and the documents are also ready, and she is just rechecking everything that everything is present or not. Because in exam center, if you don't have any sort of document, then they will return you.
Yes.
So now Jyoti, you have to want to say anything?
Actually, I want to say, but after attempting exam, I cleared, but I am going to attempt this for only exam review.
Okay. So she is going for exam review purpose only because she already cleared 3 times UP Police exam. So yeah, we are ready and the bike is also ready. Outside you can see the bike is ready. Now we are going to move for exam center because we are already little bit late.
Late, yes.
So now I have locked the door and we are ready. So the bike is also ready. Turn off the cooler,
Light also.
light also, and take the blessing of Lord Krishna.
Yes.
She is getting the Lord Krishna blessings, and here is her Radhaji. So we also want to take the blessing of Radhaji if she wants only. Yeah.
Why I have want?
Okay. Then everything is ready and we are also. So let's don't waste any drop of water. So I am putting it right here so the water will not come outside. Let's on the ignition and move on with the grace of Radhaji. Jai Sri Radha. We will meet you on the way and on the exam center. So guys, when I was going towards exam center, my cab was slid away. So you can see right here in the video that I have taken it back, and I will turn the bike and go towards again the exam center. So yeah, that's the worst case scenario happened to me right here. But again I regained my cab and going towards my exam center. So guys, we are on the way towards our exam, just around 10 kilometers away from here. So this is the view of National Highway NH2. Hello guys, you can see she is getting ready for her exam. This is our exam center and this is the way. You can see. I am just relaxing near about the exam center because around 100 meters you can't stop, that's why. Center of Jyoti, which I already told you. So the exam was good and we attempted around 125 questions, which is more than enough for a female cutoff to get through. But right now she is not in a condition that she can elaborate anything or describe the exam pattern. So it may be tomorrow or day after tomorrow she will, when she will feel good, because right now again the fever is just around the corner to grab her. That's why she is not feeling good. So I am explaining on the behalf of Jyoti that the exam was good and she can easily get through. So let's hope for the best from the grace of Radhaji, and we return home, and now I am going to edit my vlog, and after that you will get it tomorrow. So thank you very much for watching it. Love you, all the best. Jai Jai Bharat. Someone has commented on my comment box that someone is saying that you are not getting views and subscriber as the content you are making. So first of all, I am not here for views and subscriber. I am here to explore my life and what going on my life. That's the only motive, and to give some knowledge and take some knowledge from you guys and interact to you guys. That's the main motive of my YouTubing. So for those kind of people, I would like to tell you that first of all, you are not doing anything as I am doing, and second thing is that slow progress is better than no progress. So that's the thing that is motive. So hey guys, we came to the temple because the rain was stopped us. Actually, rain interrupted us. We are going towards the video uploading arena, you can say, but the rain got heavier, so we have stopped. Now it is still drizzling right away, so we are waiting the drizzle pass away, then we will go. So Vinay is sitting with me, and Vinay will have to words to you guys. Tell me,
Hi
Vinay.
guys, I am Vinay. I want to vlogging that I went tonight.
So yeah, he is trying his level best to tell me something about his vlogging. He also wants to start his vlogging channel right away, but he is just a beginner. So he is thinking that how to start and how to vlog. So he is with me and he is trying to learn something new things because he is very curious by nature and he is very intelligent guy. He is very strong in all the subjects, so he is learning right now. So yeah. Gradually I am getting in my group, so I will be better in future. But right now I am learning a lot of things. It's a learning curve for me, and I am completely isolated myself because I have heard somewhere that be in a better position in better society, otherwise you will be like other people in which the people will surround you. That's why be in better. If you are learning something from your friend circle around you, the people who are, then only you have to be with them, otherwise there is no need to be with them because you are not learning anything, you are destroying, and which is very hazardous and disastrous for you and for your personality as well. So be significantly play a role in your whole personality development. So be alert, be isolated, be strong, be stubborn. And that Jyoti is already sleeping right now, and I am also going to edit my vlog, and then I will also get to my bed. All the works have been completed. I am completely tired and exhausted. I don't have a single bit of energy. So right now it's time to go to my bed. So I will signing off from today's vlog, and vlog I edited and I will upload in the morning. So till then, take care. Bye bye. We will meet you in the vlog. Till then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Good night.
नींद का तो क्या है, आए ना आए।